this again then. All right. Sup, YouTube? Isaac's Trade here. I have a new possible 10 bagger that you need to add to your watch list immediately. Now, before I hop into this video, consider liking, subscribing, and ringing that bell if you like channels that cut the BS out. Remember, this is not financial advice, and you should always conduct your own research. I will be doing live trading and technical analysis later down the line. With real cash, come watch me as I learn in real time. Now, if you attempt to copy my trades, you will lose money. Trading and option trading is extremely risky. You should consult a pro. This is for entertainment use only. Now let's make some money, baby. This home runner is ticker symbol X, US Steel. Now I'll be using the 30-minute chart to find my support and resistance levels. If you're not familiar with the 30-minute chart, comment down below. I will give my price target for said stock. This is not financial advice in any way. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any asset, but to add to your watch list. Now let's get into some important information before my support levels. I'll quit some information. Well, the reason why I'm even looking at X, I was reevaluating the long term and just making sure all my stocks are doing. I currently own X at a ridiculously low price, and I am actually I own the stock long term, and I have noticed a quick swing trade entry point that I will be watching to right back up to the 30s. Let's jump straight into price action that I noticed. I'm gonna use Weeble right now. I was trying to use damn Thinkorswim, but it was acting up. I'm just gonna do it. It's just quick, and I'm a very quick-paced person. I just like to just bam. All right, I got my little support. I don't think it's gonna go right there. I think it's gonna come right around there. Yes, sir, right there. Let's get the other one right over here. Right there. Man, that's good to me. All right, so there is my support and my resistance. Okay, my support for this one is gonna be around the 21.06 plus or minus 7%. That's where I plan on either entering my swing trade. My swing trade for this one is gonna I would say my swing, I'm estimating about a Tuesday or a Wednesday to start the equilibrium stage, then run it up. This is my strategy, and there are untold other factors I use to establish my buy or sell areas. I set my own playing field at this low for swing trade entry. I set my own plan. Wait. Price target. Damn it. My catalyst for this one is just personal opinion, actually, and what I've noticed, because I am currently in the iron industry as a prefab fabricator, and my distributor has increased price significantly, and I am told it will continue to climb. And I've been busy fabricating a lot of big buildings. So I mean, big buildings like 50 by 60 feet. The last one I did was 32 feet tall, and I am currently fabricating 150 by 150. That is 4 stories, and yes, that is a lot of steel. This is not financial advice at all. Remember, do your own DD. Know why you own a stock. You must be able to explain to anyone why you own it in under 1 minute, and not just the sucker is gonna go up. Won't cut it. Only one losing is yourself and your loved ones that count on you to make the least amount of mistakes. You can't win them all, but you can keep your losses down by controlling your emotions. If you're unsure, stay on the sideline. There is never a correct or incorrect time to enter a trade. It is, however, incorrect for one to use time as a factor in the market. Greed and fear is all she cares about. My price target for this one is going to be a high of 33 and a low of 21.06. Like I said, plus or minus 7% of when I will establish my swing trade. I am estimating Tuesday or Wednesday to start the equilibrium stage, then run it up. This is my strategy, and there are untold other factors I use to establish my buy or sell areas. I set my own playing field. Slow for swing trade entry. Now, for those of you not familiar with swing trading, it's basically like day trading in a way. You just hold longer than a day. Some will argue that 2-day is a day trade, but then again, this is my own opinion for my own real-time learning progressive. But hey, comment down below, please. We can agree to disagree, mother lover. I will be watching RSI. My RSI, as RSI, this is the last unmet part of my criteria list. She is just about there at the 30 where I like my stocks to be at when I do my swing trades. Like I said, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. If not, hell, I'm gonna be making money tomorrow on X, and I hope you guys are there to enjoy the run up. Have a good weekend. Hope to see you at the next video.